do some wheelies.
Yeah. OMG, I did it all again. Had to prove it to myself this time. Took a shot and got another win. Better than anyone else with mine. Now they all wanna do it like me. Ooh, this shit is lively. We booming, yeah. Rumors are flying. Everyone assuming, yeah. It's all just a game of truth or dare. Luckily, I got it all covered. Ooh, boy, you should see the projections. I'm coming for all of it. Luckily, I don't need any more best friends. I'm back on my wave now. I used to wanna do the press. I don't got no.
How's that for a loop?
Just say nah, they just wanna talk about some dumb shit. I don't play it down, no way. I don't play it down, no way.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Doing wheelies. Woo! Anyways, that's basically what this vlog is gonna be today. Just wheelies. But I just got off my dirt bike. Was on a little ride with that thing. Took it to the track. Practiced some wheelies there. Yeah, so I took it to the track. Just practiced wheelies. You'll see that right after this. Some clips of that. But let's keep practicing some wheelies.
Phony ass will never get my respect. People say they killing shit, but they ain't did the D yet. Every shot I take is been going in. I need a heat check. I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it. Hot damn, life turned into a movie. We had to shoot in my shooters and knock down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave yet. I ain't make it to the league yet. I'm the best kept secret. I need a heat check. Yeah, to get the label up.
So
now we off and running.
Left. Whoa. Whoa, we're about to get cleaned. All right. Whoa. Am I recording? Yes. I tried to grab a gear, but lost the brake. Oh, lost it on that one.
You can't really tell me nothing. I see all these rappers buzzing. They don't get the money, I don't need the fame. I could put you on game, boy, this back I ain't bluffing.
Pretty clean bike. Been a while since I rode. Definitely warmed up. I think I'm gonna get some shots of this bike outside. It's the cleanest it's been in, I think since I've had it.
Run the operation, finally seeing compensation for the work. I don't believe in no moderation, I believe in dream chasing even when it hurts. Hustle, it's a full-time job.
I'm starting with something that's not the most legal thing. My bike is very cold still. But anyways, what we're going to do right now is we're going to go head to our private track that we're still working on right now. I'm going to practice just some wheelies today. That's it. Just didn't feel like taking my truck there. Thought this would be more interesting. No, I'm not going to be dropping it back right now on the pavement. Hopefully someday. I have my camera on my back, so I think I'm going to set that up somewhere. I have good old New Balance on, so be able to feel that brake a bit more. Maybe set you up like here. Sweet.
I don't think it's even halftime for me. If I ever missed, last time was the last time for me. I don't even feel the effect. I need a heat check. I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it. Hot damn, life turned into a movie.
Dude.
We had to shoot and my shooters are knocked down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave yet. I ain't making
Let's find another spot for you. I'm gonna have ticks all over me. All right, guys. I'm gonna look like a goon, but we're going no goggles. Okay, that feels super solid, actually. With the little incline, I think it helped.
I just hit the reset, I ain't even fucking close to my peak yet. Give it girl one look, you ask why I seats wet, cause I need to eat shit.
I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it. Hot damn, life turned into a movie. We had to shoot and my shooters are knocked down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave yet. I ain't making.
One more. Alright guys, I think we're gonna head home now. Throw my backpack on and my goggles. Alright, we're gonna take it right here. Out of here this time. Yeah, we'll call that for the payment, Wheelie. Woo! That was fun. That was a lot of fun. What's up? What are you doing? Oh, I just did a little vlog. Say hi to everybody in the GoPro. You see me just wheelie up Ipswich?
Huh?
Just wheelie, just fucking up.
Bailey goes, "Where's Jack?" I'm like, I don't know. Then literally,
Rap!
we heard. I'm like, "Oh, there he is."
Wow, right? That was sick. Thanks everybody for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you want. I don't care. Whatever you want to do.
I'm the best kept secret. I need a heat check.